Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram account name from the story. First, about the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, go to the Reels section and select the reel you want to share. Now, tap on the paper aeroplane icon and choose Add a Story. Once you're on the story screen, you'll see the account name on the reel. To hide it, you can add lyrics or any other stickers right over the name. Now, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Then, tap on Mention, type the username, and place it exactly over the original name to cover it neatly. After that, pause the story. Now, check your story, the account name should be hidden. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.